Hello YouTubers, Dylan here with a new drawing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Trixie Tang from the Fairly Odd Parents franchise from Nickelodeon. So, let's begin. So, Trixie Tang she's got kind of a triangle shape for her body and kind of a half circle shape for her head. And like I always say in my videos, draw loose and light shapes at first. And then you're going to draw these sticks. These will be her arms. And then you're going to draw a stick. One stick for her leg will be straight, while the other will be triangular, will be pointed like this. Now, we need to draw a light line across. That's going to show us where her eyes will be. And then a line on top to show where her hair will start. And now, let's draw the eyes. And these eyes are really thin, almond shaped. And then we need to draw a circle inside. Those are her pupils are. Then we'll draw another almond-shaped eye on this side, except it will be a little smaller. Draw another circle. Have them this way because she's like looking, to show where she's looking. Then we'll draw her eyelash on that eye, and then another eyelash on this side. Now we need to draw her nose. It'll be just like an upside down U shape that goes this way. And then we need to draw her mouth. She's smiling like this. Now, we need to define the side of her head a bit. And now we need to give her some eyebrows. It's basically like these thin, one of them is a thin triangle shape, while the other eyebrow is then we need to draw the top line of her hair. Then we need to draw the back side of her head. It's a little bit straight. It's basically like a circle, except it's more, well, actually it's more of a backward C. Then you're going to draw a number 6 that goes like this for the inside. Then you're going to draw her hairband. Then you can curve that all the way down. Then just darken that hairband. Okay, now before we get to the rest of her hair, we need to draw her body and her clothes. So she has this she's wearing kind of like a turtleneck. And then before you darken the bottom side, you gotta draw this shape. That's her arm. Just gonna darken this arm. And then she's got these squares. Then we need to draw this side of what will be her body. And once you've drawn the skirt, you need to draw the top side of it. Okay, now we draw her arms. So this arm's going to be on her hip. We've drawn characters that do this a few times. It's just basically thin, it's not super detailed. All you just gotta do is draw these squares that go like this. Draw that arm. So we're going to draw this arm. This is how her hand's going to be. She's going to have a thumb and 3 fingers. So you gotta do is draw this half circle with the thumb. Then draw these 2 lines that go like that. Okay, now we need to draw her legs. So we're just going to draw these skinny square-like shapes or rectangles. And then we close it off because if you remember, she also has a pair of white knee-high boots. So what you do is you draw a triangle shape at the top, like this, and then a half circle shape at the bottom. Then we need to draw her other boots, which will be like this, a triangle, and then the bottom is going to be a diamond shape. We look like we're done, but we're not. Remember, we gotta draw the rest of her long black hair. So you can just put this curve right at the bottom of her skirt. Then you draw another curve that follows it. Then you create a point. And then right at the top here, you just draw a big, fairly curved, not too curved, but a little bit straight line as well. So I'm just gonna beef that up. And then you can take the side of your pencil and shade her hair in black. And take your time doing so. Then get the bottom on the inside as well. Just gonna shade that in. One last detail I forgot was a sleeve on that arm. Just take your time shading it in black. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of Trixie Tang. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and I hope you had fun.